officially my new favorite place in Miko.
Yeah, it's incredible. It reminds me of an IKEA or an Apple store.
I feel really homey and comfortable here.
Kids are going to be super excited, just like we teachers are already so excited about the place.
A place where one can not only unwind but also do a lot of learning.
Design is very convenient, especially with the bean bags and the new seating areas.
Yeah, first, my impression was I thought this was the university library here.
I simply just have the freedom to do anything I want.
Fabulous!
I think it's absolutely breathtaking. Okay, this is the new library. The new library is a thing of beauty and a joy forever. It's gorgeous.